Good Tuesday morning, everybody. This is Steve, Monday Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on weather-wise this morning around the area. Starting the day off at 52 degrees this morning at the Mid-Carolina Airport in Salisbury, 51 degrees at the Weather Center here in Atwell. Up in Boone, coming in at 39 degrees to start the day off. Then as you look around the area, temperatures ranging anywhere from the upper 30s to really low to mid 50s, depending on where you look. Warm spots on the map looking like Charlotte and Monroe coming in at 54 degrees this morning. As we take a look at the bigger picture, you can see we've got a front that's starting to make its way into the area of the county that will continue to move through as we go through the day today. We've got all these areas of severe weather off to our south and southeast, or excuse me, southwest, that we're keeping an eye on, that will start to make their way into the area in the county as we get to the afternoon hours. Probably around 2 p.m. we'll start to see some of the effects from this. Clouds will certainly be on the increase as we go through the day today. But again, we're continuing to monitor it for the chance for strong to severe storms. You see there's a large tornado watch down here. Also some severe thunderstorm warnings in this as well. So we're going to continue to keep an eye on it as they continue to make their way to our area. And we'll give you more on that in just a moment. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the Storms Prediction Center is saying for us. So as far as today goes, we're looking at this dark shade of green just below us. So the entire county right now is in the lighter shade of green, which would mean a general thunderstorm risk. But over the past couple of days, the Storms Prediction Center has moved this severe area up to where there is a chance for a marginal risk for severe weather just to our south and to our southeast, as that's that darker shade of green. If you take a look a little further south, we've got this area that's shaded in yellow, which is a slight risk for severe weather, which is an even higher risk than the darker shade of green here. So we'll continue to keep an eye on it as we go through the day today, as the Storms Prediction Center could very well shift that a little further north, which would bring us into play. So we'll see how things develop. This is for Wednesday, technically Wednesday into Thursday. It's kind of crazy how this one's going to play itself out. So you see there's kind of a split in the county here. We'll get in a little bit closer so you can see just how much of that divide there is. So areas like Salisbury and Rockwell are in this darker shade of green, which again is the marginal risk for severe weather. Areas like Cleveland, China Grove, Kannapolis, they're all in the yellow shade, which would be for the slight chance for severe weather. So a much higher risk for severe weather. Again, this is Wednesday night into Thursday. So we could see some strong to severe storms move through during the overnight hours. So after you go to sleep Wednesday and maybe before you wake up on Thursday, rain will still continue to be lingering around as we go through the morning hours on Thursday, and then we'll start to dry out. But we'll certainly keep an eye on this as well to keep you updated. The main threats right now are really damaging winds, and then of course localized flooding. We could see anywhere from 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rainfall just today with the showers and storms that are going to move through this afternoon and evening. So a lot of rainfall in a short period of time can certainly lead to some localized flooding. Additionally, there's a low risk for an isolated tornado with these as well. We'll continue to keep an eye on that also. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the model data is showing. We'll pan back out here a little bit. So there's Salisbury for reference. This is going on. This is 1 p.m. this afternoon. Let me get over to where I can start to move this hour by hour. So this is now 2 p.m. You see some light rain starting to make its way in, and we're going to get a little bit closer to home here, actually, just to give you a better idea. So here, this is Cleveland, Salisbury, China Grove, just for example, to give you some reference points around the county. At 3 p.m., still seeing some light rain moving through. Could see some moderate rainfall as well. Just these darker shades getting here. By 4 p.m., looking at more moderate rainfall moving through the county. And then if you look off to the west and to the southwest, you're seeing these shades of yellow and orange, which are some heavy rainfall. So as we get to 5 p.m., heavy rainfall occurring around the county. Could be some thunderstorms going on with this as well, but certainly some heavy rainfall. 6 p.m., still looking at heavy rainfall. Now you're starting to see why we're looking at maybe 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rainfall, obviously. 7 p.m., still looking at some heavy rainfall going on. 8 p.m., starting to see things lighten up a little bit with some moderate to heavy rainfall around the area. 9 p.m., still looking at some moderate rainfall. By 10 p.m., the areas west of 85 in the county should start to be drying out. Areas east of 85 will see the rain slowly coming to an end around 10 p.m. or after. And then by 11, we all start to dry out. There could be some isolated showers that move through during the overnight hours. tonight into Wednesday morning. But otherwise, we're looking at a dry day on Wednesday to give us a chance to kind of let this water sink into the ground. But again, we're looking for maybe an inch to an inch and a half of rainfall just this evening alone with these showers and storms that'll move through the area. Let's go ahead and take a quick break. We'll get a word from our friends at Patterson Farm. We'll come back. We'll give you the pollen outlook and all that and more coming up right after this. Weather impacts for today. We'll see partly sunny skies for the morning hours. Showers and thunderstorms start to move into the area, into the county around 2 p.m. Winds will be out of the south-southeast at around 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts as high as 25 miles an hour. Those gusts are going to be higher in some of the stronger to severe storms that could move through the area today, so certainly keep that in mind. Rainfall accumulations of an inch to an inch and a half are possible. Again, localized flooding is a concern because we're looking at a window for the heavy rainfall from between 5 p.m. and 9 p.m. this evening. That's a lot of rainfall over a period of time, so we'll certainly continue to keep an eye on that. And then some storms could be strong to severe. Again, the main threats are damaging winds, looking again at the localized flooding being a factor, and of course, can't rule out the risk of a low risk of an isolated tornado. Again, we'll continue to keep an eye on it and keep you weather aware as we go through the day today. The pollen outlook sponsored by Good Nights Lawn Care. These guys take care of my lawn, and I love it. They offer services like mowing, trimming, seeding, mulch, pine straw, and more. For more information on services provided, give them a call, 980-521-1937. Main pollen drivers are oak, juniper, and elm. We're looking at high levels of pollen for most of the week, with the exception of Wednesday with extreme levels. Basically, following up this heavy rainfall tonight, the pollen levels are going to rebound pretty quickly. We'll get some rain during the overnight hours of Wednesday into Thursday. That'll knock us back to high levels for Thursday. And then some colder temperatures might actually keep us in the high levels for Friday and Saturday. So we'll continue to keep an eye on that. The mowing forecast overall, it looks pretty good, to be quite honest with you. We've got a yellow light out there for today because, again, the rain could pick up around 2 p.m. this afternoon, which would interfere with getting it done in the afternoon hours. Wednesday, we look to be dry all day. So if your lawn's not too wet, you might be able to get out there and get it done. And then for Thursday, mainly the morning hours, we could see rain lingering around before it finally comes to an end early Thursday morning. And then for the afternoon hours, we're going to be dry again. So, again, if your lawn's not too wet, you should be able to get out there and get it done on Thursday as well. The mosquito forecast continues to show low levels of activity as we go into the weekend. And then, of course, the forecast sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684. Visit them on their website, www.sasloop.com. Mention you notice they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County weather. They'll give you $25 off your first-time service call. We'll see partly sunny skies today, high of 72. As we enter the afternoon and evening hours, we'll see showers and thunderstorms make their way in. 80% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Rain could be heavy at times. Looking at a chance for strong to severe storms as well. So, again, stay weather aware this afternoon and evening. On Wednesday, we'll see 80 degrees for the high with partly sunny skies, mostly cloudy skies by Wednesday evening with a low of 59. Rain will move in during the overnight hours, and we could see strong to severe storms during the overnight hours of Wednesday into Thursday, so we'll continue to keep you updated on that. On Thursday, we'll start the day off with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. 30% chance for the morning hours, high of 73. We'll see a low of 44 with partly cloudy skies by Thursday evening. On Friday, much cooler conditions out there. Partly sunny skies, high of only 63. Partly cloudy skies. Friday evening, low of 37. Saturday, we'll see partly sunny skies with a high of only 58. with partly cloudy skies Saturday evening, a low of 34. And then for Sunday, we'll see sunny skies with a high of 62 with mostly clear skies Sunday evening, a low of 38. Perfect weather if you're planning on heading down to Bank of America Stadium to see the Charlotte FC play in Atlanta United. That is a rematch from earlier this season where Atlanta took the win. We'll continue to keep you updated on that matchup as we get closer to it, as well as all the weather and more. If you're looking for ways to stay updated with Rowan County weather at any time, you can visit us on our website, www.rowancountyweather.com. You can follow and like us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And you can check us out on cable television, WSRG TV in Salisbury. It's available on Hotwire Channel 394, Spectrum Channel 16. We'll keep you updated there as well. For now, enjoy your Tuesday. As always, thank you for following Rowan County weather.